Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani, our next week of the Word of the Day series. This week we're going to be talking about a lot shopping stuff. Let's start with first word. The first word is ENDİRİM. ENDİRİM. ENDİRİM can mean discount, price reduction, markdown. Let's see. To get a discount, to ask for a price reduction, big markdown. Let's see how do they sound in Azerbaijani. ENDİRİM almak. Almak, to get, to buy, to receive. Qiymətdə endirim istəmək. Qiymət is a price. İstəmək, to ask. Qiymətdə, in a price basically. Endirim istəmək. Böyük endirim. Böyük means big, great. Let's see some sentences. Mən kassada endirim istədim, amma çox gecidi. Bu işləri kassaya çatmadan həll etmək lazımdır. I know it's a long sentence, but it's a good one. Let's see. I asked for a discount at the checkout. Checkout, kassa. Kassa means cashier, where they are typing in to give you the price, to charge you. That's what means kassa. Mən istədim, I asked. Where? Kassada, at the checkout. For a discount, endirim. Amma, but, çox gecidi. It was too late. Bu işləri, these matters, kassaya çatmadan, before reaching the checkout. Həll etmək, resolve. Lazımdır, must be, needs to be. Now, mən kassada endirim istədim, amma çox gecidi. Bu işləri kassaya çatmadan həll etmək lazımdır. Let's see another sentence. Bugün mağazada büyük endirim var. There's a big markdown in the store today. Bugün, today, mağazada, at the store, in the store, büyük, big, var, there is. Alright, that was today's word endirim. Make sure you practice it, but you don't have to practice it with full Azerbaijani sentence. It can be something like that. Are labels with endirim your go-to choice when shopping? Check Master Azerbaijani until you come back tomorrow. I'll see you there for a new word. Cheers!